Yesterday I got a letter around by evening, I think. I don't know what is the time. I got one letter from them through WhatsApp one day. Till today I didn't get this official letter from them. I spoke with my officer, Commissioner Secretary, to coordinate with them. I asked Commissioner Secretary to call them. We'll have discussion here in Shillong. But these people, this Mazdoor Union, they don't want to come to Shillong. After I asked him to kindly call them maybe in Nagpur. They agreed to come to Nagpur. Tomorrow they will have the meeting around 12 o'clock in Nagpur. We call all the district administration from Ribhoi and from East Kashmir also to discuss guiding this matter. Hopefully they will solve this problem after the meeting.
People, if the talks fail, if the thing don't go.
No need to panic. I request all the people of the state no need to panic because as of now, this petrol retailers, they have the stock. Till today they will have the load. I don't think there will be a problem regarding this.
Do we have sufficient stock?
Yes, we have sufficient stock as of now. For 2-3 days, no problem. In case they have shortage of the stock, then we'll ask the Deputy Commissioner to restrict for that.
So we are saying that there will be an inflation of prices.
No inflation.
Any cap has been put on the on how much a person can take petrol or?
No, as of now, we cannot say anything regarding that because as of now we have the stock. Fully we have the stock. Then tomorrow they will have the meeting in Ribhoi, in Sorkar house by 12 o'clock. I would think they will solve all this problem.
So tomorrow are you going for the meeting?
No.
Are you chairing? Who will be chairing the meeting?
My Commissioner Secretary will chair the meeting.